Everyone, welcome to my channel Science Galaxy. Today I would like to take chapter 8 NCERT class 10, that is arithmetic progression. So let's start to discuss in this chapter is sequence. What is the sequence? A sequence is a set of numbers that is defined by a set of rules that regulates these numbers. For example, you have a number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is a set of number and these have a particular rule that is add by 5. Here add by 5. Here also add by 5. Here add by 5. So the next example is multiply by 1 by 2. So 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, so on. This is an example when you multiply a number 1 by 2. Here the rule is 1 by 2 and the number is this. So let's take the progression. What is this progression? You would be thinking, what is this progression? A progression is a sequence. A progression is a sequence with a definite rule. A definite rule. And you would be thinking, what is this definite rule? Definite rule. This definite rule is the mathematical rule. Mathematical rule that is followed between these numbers. A sequence with a definite rule. Like for example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on and so forth. So you would be thinking, what is the difference between this sequence and this progression? So the biggest difference in this is with an example. The example is sequence 1, 2, 3, then 5, 7. These are all a set of prime numbers. Prime numbers. But these do not follow a certain mathematical rule. Hence, it is not a progression. So the biggest difference is that it can be any set with any rule in it, but it should have a certain rule that is specified by the mathematics. So that's the difference. So let's take some more examples of both of them. I think we should take examples of progression only. Example of progression is 2 into 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. So here the difference is 2 2 2 2. So here the mathematical rule that is used is addition. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 2 is, that is 6. So this 2 is commonly added to all of them. So let's note it down all of them, and then I will teach the next one to discuss is arithmetic progression that you have been waiting for. So let's first define it. Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? As the name suggests, it is a progression. What is a progression? A progression is a sequence with a definite mathematical rule. So it is easy to define arithmetic progression now. An arithmetic progression is a progression which we get on adding a fixed value to preceding number to get a progression or sequence of numbers. I think you have understood a small bit of it. So let's brief it. This concept, so let's take the example. The example is example number 1. The earlier example 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here I am adding 5 as the fixed value. Some fixed value is equal to 10. So fixed value is equal to 10 minus 5. That is 5. Oh, it was an easy job. So let's take the next criteria, that is 15. That is 10 plus some fixed value is equal to 15. So fixed value is equal to 15 minus 10. That is 5. Here also it is 5. Here also it is 5. Then the fixed value is 5. But for your convenience sake, you should check for the third one also. But it is so simple that 15 plus 5 is 20. Hence, we can prove that 5 is the fixed value. And it is a progression because we are adding with a particular value, that is 5. So let's take another example, that is, you would be thinking, can't it be 100, 80, 60, 40, 20 and 0. You would be thinking how it is an arithmetic progression. I said arithmetic progression is a progression in which we add a fixed value to the preceding number so that we get a next number, and these all are in a progression or a sequence of number. So, for example, I would take 100 plus fixed value is equal to 80. So, fixed value is equal to 80 minus 100. Oh, such a difficult job it is. It is 20. Fixed value is 20. Hence, it is minus 20 is the fixed value that we add to this number to make the progression. From this, I conclude that the fixed value may anything that you can think, anything. It could be a fraction, it could be a decimal number, anything, but it should be a fixed value and it should make a sequence. And there are many formulas that we will deal in this chapter, so that we will complete the arithmetic progression easily. For example, if you are given 100 and 80, 60, you have to give the number which is fifth number of this sequence. How will you do it? So there is a formula, that is A is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Oh, you would be thinking. Let's start. The first example is n is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Here an is the nth term, is the number or the number which is in nth position, which is in nth position of this progression, nth position of the progression. If we have to find the nth position of a progression, for example in this case the fifth position of the progression, then we would use this, and this is A. A is the starting means initial, the starting value, the initial value. Here it is 100. N means the number, the term which you have to find, the term, nth term that you have to find, and we have to subtract it with 1. And D is the common difference, or it is also known as the fixed value that we have derived in the last video, in the last lecture. That is, fixed value you will find from the here is